you can say lambda expression with multiple parameter, right? So I have created already the name lambda expression multiple parameter as a class, and I created a main method inside that we will write the code from the where the program will execute, and we have created an interface. The interface we have CLC calculate, right, and we have a method inside that a sum that will take a two argument multiple parameter, right? So how we will write the code that we will see here, right? So what we have to write, we have to create a CLC here like that, okay, and we have to pass two argument here, a plus b, right? Okay, and then if the value is okay, then we will call the method, right? How we'll do that? CLC sum 10 20, right? And it will get called the value. Let's see, we have a value 30 here. How we'll do that? We will create an interface first. Interface will contain the value sum int and id, right? Int to int value here.